Welcome to a lesson on cause and effect. Cause and effect we can find in different texts. We can also find it in our daily life. Cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened. So sometimes the effect is listed first, but it kind of depends. So some signal questions we can look for or consider are: what happened? Why did it happen? What caused it to happen? When you're reading, you can look for signal words like so, because, since, therefore, if something, then this, or this led to, reason why, as a result, may be due to, effect of, consequently, for this reason. So as we look at this picture, I want you to consider the cause and effect. Right now we are looking at the effect of something. The cause is also in the picture, and I'm guessing you can all identify that the cause for this person laying on the ground was that he slipped on a banana. In this photo, we are actually witnessing the effect as it's happening. So this is a slow motion or freeze of the bubble being popped, but hasn't actually fully been popped yet. So the cause of the bubble being popped would be someone poking it. This picture, again, we're looking at the effect of something. So we might ask ourselves, how did this happen? How did this dog get here? And of course, the cause would be the dog tried to get onto the hammock, or someone put him on the hammock and his legs went through the holes. Again, we're looking at the effect here, and a signal question would be, what happened? How did this occur? How did this person get their tongue stuck to a pole? For this, you would need some background knowledge about metal in the winter and what happens when you put something wet and warm onto it. The tongue is frozen to the pole and it is stuck there. Again, in this picture, we're looking at the effect of something. So we're asking ourselves, well, what is this that we're looking at? And how did it happen? So we're looking at this cat with what appears to be something like packing peanuts. The cause, you can kind of see down there, you can see that box, which we can assume is a shipping box of some sort, packing box that was filled with those peanuts. For us to identify the cause, we do have to have background knowledge on packing peanuts and some static electricity to know that because of static electricity, styrofoam will be attracted to hair or fur, like on this cat. What you're going to do now is you are going to read The Great Chicago Fire, this article, and you are going to read through it, and when you're finished, you are going to complete a thinking map on it. You are going to identify causes located in the text for the effect being the Great Chicago Fire. So go ahead and click on the links to allow you to access the text and the document.